Today we're going to be talking about wide area networking, and in particular wide area network governance, application delivery, application SLAs, essentially. The ability for you to say to your customers, your staff, I can guarantee the performance of your critical business applications. There are a number of technologies out there that begin to do this, but what I want to look at today is more of a logical problem. If we take this, we take a typical network design. So we have, say, 3 sites and a head office or a data center of some sort. Now, if you want to have some sort of method of tracking, of working out how your applications will be delivered, there are different ways of doing this. Okay, I'll look at the first one, which is you can track your devices over here on every site, and you take a stream out of these into some sort of management interface, and then you have a service that takes these 4 streams and then tries to figure out what's going on. There are many services that do this. There's SNMP, there's all sorts of NetFlow, all these types of services that provide visibility of the physical circuit that's going on here, and it allows you to get information about what's going on. The trouble with this approach is that it doesn't look at the WAN holistically. It doesn't look at it as a whole entity. What you're having to do as the network administrator, as the user, is to understand the data that's coming out of these locations in context with what you know about the rest of your wide area network. For example, if the traffic goes from here to here, it should show on both of these links, but you're left manually trying to figure this stuff out. Another model that's been out there and being proposed by manufacturers is to say, well, what we'll do is we'll get rid of this. We will take all of these streams and put them via a big service that sits there. So essentially, you provide centralized management of your wide area network from a single location. All packets go through one location. And this has probably got to be one of the worst ways of ensuring that you get a bottleneck in your network, because you're bringing all your traffic back to a single location. What we really need is some sort of way of understanding holistically what's going on, whilst ensuring the traffic is kept running at the most efficient and most quickest way possible. What we have that delivers that is technology that's known as autonomous networking. Autonomous networking recognises the fact that there is complexity within a wide area network. If I draw this out, I'll show you how it works. So I'll try to draw these links away. So, wide area network, 3 sites and a head office. Autonomous networking has a service that sits at the top. Our service that delivers this is called Net Manager, and allows the customer, the user, to be able to dictate what are the important aspects about their wide area network. If your network is delivering Citrix and voice, and they are primary applications for delivering services, then you say these are business critical applications. Perhaps it's SAP, perhaps you have a proprietary application, maybe you have a CRM internally. All of these services, you actually say these are the way our business operates. And that's all that happens at the top layer. What happens then is these things are fed down to some strategically placed devices. And the context is fed down there. And these devices do the number crunching. And they understand enough about what your objectives from a business are to be able to ensure the traffic moves appropriately and quickly, and they feed back visibility stats so that you can see what's happening. In other words, the workload is spread across your entire wide area network, as opposed to it being put into a single place. If this went down, your network is not affected. If any of these units go down, in fact, there is no impact on the network, because Net Manager is designed to deliver true autonomous networking management into your organisation, and it's built on business requirements as opposed to technical metrics. You can see within Net Manager how well your voice is being delivered, what the user perception of your voice is, how well your Citrix is being delivered. Again, traffic light system, why or why an issue crops up, why is it cropping up? Because it was looking at the application as opposed to technical metrics, and you're able to delve down from the quality of the problem into why is it not behaving in the way it should be. The only way to manage an ever increasingly complex wide area network from a holistic point of view is using autonomous networking, and that's what Net Manager, through our partnership with Ipanema Technologies, does for you.